All right, so we've just finished welding. The bedside is ready for the next step. The next step is planishing. We're gonna take a hammer and dolly, and just like we did with the tack welds, I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna hammer this weld out. Now earlier I mentioned about being really consistent with my heat when I weld it because it'll make it easier to planish. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the hammer and dolly and I'm gonna kind of just force the panel a little bit flatter. So I'm gonna attack all the highs and lows, and then I'm gonna run from one end to the other and stretch the panel back out. And then after that, I'll kind of bounce around to fix any little spots that need to be stretched additionally. And then the other thing I'll need to do is also grind the tops of the welds. And I might do that intermittently as I'm working. Because the fitment wasn't 100% consistent the whole way through, I had spots with a little more gap. I had to use more filler rod in different areas, which means those welds will need a little bit extra grinding. So I might grind the tops of those welds down a little bit as I'm planishing just to make it work out a little bit better, but you'll see how it goes.